everyone will get the problem, guys, where everyone will irritate, guys, where means, guys, here folks while there, guys, it will come outside, guys, they will irritate, guys. So hello guys, welcome back to our channel Making Arts and Technology with Saketh. This is unboxing video, guys. Today in this video, see guys, this is courier, guys. In further, I was my uncle was ordered the multimeter, guys. It's cost 300, guys. If you want to buy this multimeter, I will give the link in description, guys. In this video, I will unbox this courier and I will show how to use the multimeter, guys, and precautions also, guys. Okay, let's start our video. So guys, I am unboxing this courier, guys. My beautiful sister was open this courier first only, guys. See guys, from so many days I was asking to my uncle, uncle please buy for me a multimeter, please uncle. So my uncle ordered the multimeter. So let's unbox it, guys. This is multimeter, guys. This is multimeter, guys, and these are probes, guys, like positive and negative, guys. At back side, guys, here at this place one LED battery will connected, guys. Let's open and see, guys. See here, guys, I'm opening the multimeter, guys. Here, see guys, here one LED battery is there, guys. See guys, this is LED battery, guys. Let's insert it again. See guys, let's assemble this, guys. See guys, I assembled this multimeter, guys. So let's take the probes, guys. So previously I said these are probes, guys. Here three plugs are there, guys. Here three plugs. This is negative pin, guys. It should be put in common, guys. It means third plug, guys. This positive. Here two plugs there, guys. We should so the positive should be connected to the second plug, guys. Why I was didn't put this positive plug in this means, guys, while we are measuring the amperes in 10 amperes, guys, 10 amperes and above, this positive pin should be put in here, guys. Then we want to measure the ampere, guys, above 10 amps. So first I am putting in this here, guys. This is toggle, guys. This is, see guys, this is toggle, guys. This is arrow there, guys. This arrow indicates the symbol mode, guys. Here see guys, modes are there, guys. Volts in AC current, volts to measure DC current, resistance of the resistor, continuity, amperes, higher than 10 amps. Here two modes are there, guys. I will explain in the short, guys. Please comment should I explain or not. So see here, guys, let's test the DC current, guys. See, guys, this is normal 1.5 volts double A battery, guys. So let's test it, guys. How we want to measure means, guys, here 200 millivolts, 2000 millivolts, 20 volts, 200 volts, 1000 volts. We should want put the this is 1.5 volts, guys. We want to put in a higher volts, guys. Here higher volt, which means, guys, more than 1.5, that is 20, guys. Let's put in 20, guys. This is positive and this is negative probe, guys. Let's see. Wait a second, guys. See here, guys, 9.3 volts is there, guys. This is very low battery, guys. Battery was almost used, guys, here. So let's test the lithium battery, guys. So guys, here I am testing the lithium battery, guys. The positive and negative, guys, here. Wait a second, guys. Why the minus was coming, guys? I was put in wrong sign, guys. This is not necessary, guys. We should put a positive to positive only, negative to negative only, guys. This is not necessary, guys. We can put a reverse also, guys, to like positive to negative to positive, but it indicates only minus sign, guys. In this way we can identify the terminals also, guys. Terminals. Let's see, guys, how many volts. Nearly 3 volts there, guys. Nearly. Wait a second, guys. Guys. See, guys, 3 volts, guys. This 3.7 volts. This 3.7 volts battery, guys. Next, we can test the resistor, guys. See, guys, this is 220k resistor, guys. Let's switch it to resistance mode, guys. This is 220k resistor, guys. It should be put in 220 means, guys. It should be put in 2000k, guys. See, guys, now I am testing the resistance, guys. So, guys, in next video I want to explain how to find the resistor value, guys, by mathematically, guys. Please comment in the comment box section, guys. If any 2 comments first came, guys, I will start the video, guys. See, guys, it was fluctuating, guys. It means, guys, in resistor, guys, according to resistance, guys, it will not come exact value, guys. It will like a plus or minus, guys. One in one situation it will be more, guys. In one situation it will be less, guys. See, guys, in this situation it is more, guys. 220k resistor, guys. This is. Let's check another resistor, guys. Another resistor value. Let's check. Let's test 0.5 ohms resistor, guys. It is 0.5 ohms or not. Let's test it, guys. See, guys, this is 0.5 ohms resistor, guys. I'm taking 0.5 ohms resistor, guys. See, guys, this is 0.5 ohms resistor, guys. So let's switch it to 200 resistance, guys. See, guys, I was switching to 200 ohms resistor, guys. So let's test it, guys. See, guys, now I'm testing. See, guys, this is see, guys, 1.0 9 1.0, that like it was fluctuating, guys. I was said now, guys, previously only it is a plus or minus. In one situation it will be more, in one situation it will be less, guys. See, guys, resistance was completed, guys. So next one, let's check continuity, guys. Now I'm not not measuring the AC current, guys, switchboard current, because it was running. Weather was not that much that much good, guys, at outside. If we did it, this weather means, right, it will be short circuit will happen, guys. So I'm giving small request, guys, while you are measuring AC currents, guys. Please check the weather and do it, guys. Otherwise you will only face the problems, guys. So now let's check the continuity, guys. So, guys, in this mode, if we touch this two probes like this, guys, beep sound will come, guys. Please comment in the comment box section if you are able to hear the beep sound or not, guys. See, guys. Now let's check the. So see, guys, I am taking a wire, guys. If any breaks was happen, guys, the buzzer will not the sound will not, we can't hear the sound, guys. Buzzer sound will not come, guys. See, guys, sorry, guys. If any cuts was not there, guys, buzzer sound will not come, guys. This is a wire, guys, with no cuts. See, guys. Now, so like this we will test the continuity tester, guys. So let's take any other module, guys. Now see, guys, now I take the small module, guys. Now I'm checking. So, guys, let's check the resistance, guys. It may be, let's put in 20k, guys. I don't know that much of value, guys. Let's see, guys, how much value. Hundred ohms resistor, guys. This is also 100 resistor, guys. 100 ohms resistor. Let's see the volts, guys.
Let's see, guys. There was on the let's see, guys. That was working on the let's see, guys. See, guys. It is working, guys. It is working, guys. See, guys. See here. Let's check this color also, guys. In this way we can find out, guys, is any component working or not. In this way we can also find, guys. So guys, this diode was not working, guys. Let's check this. This diode was not working, guys. Let's check the capacitors, guys. No, guys, it was not working, guys. These are charger capacitors, guys. We should want to do it here. Let's test the amps, guys. Testing. No, guys. Now this is over, guys. Now I will show you. Now I will tell you some precautions, guys, for getting the lifetime of this multimeter, guys. All of our subscribers will feel irritated at which connection means, guys. This probes the guys. It's coming off in the see, guys. This probes wise there, no, guys. It will be coming out always, guys. For preventing this, guys. Let's see, guys. See, guys. Wait a second, guys. Just put a plaster, guys, from where it means, guys. See here, guys. I'm putting the plaster, guys. See here. See, guys. Now I'm doing one small magic, guys. You can't do this magic, guys. The two plaster the two probes, guys, for safety, guys. I'm giving one small request, guys. Everyone should buy this multimeter, guys. We can use for battery purposes and home purpose also, guys. Like checking the voltage in AC current and DC current, guys. You can check the battery voltage also, guys. So, guys, everyone should buy this multimeter, guys. I am requesting, guys. Everyone should buy this multimeter only. Buy this multimeter, guys. And last but not least, guys, this is on for me last video, guys. In next week, guys, I am posting every 2 weeks. I am posting one video, guys, like every two Sundays after, guys, because of from day after tomorrow schools were starting, guys. I will be busy, guys.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. How you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, guys. Don't forget to press on bell icon, guys. Please reach up to 100 subscribers 100 subscribers, guys. So see you guys here. So many members was not subscribing, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to press on bell icon, guys. Please reach it up to 100 subscribers, guys, so I can reveal my face, guys. So thank you and have a nice day. Let's meet in next video.